Hello everyone and welcome back to our video channel. Are you looking for cooperation opportunities? Huyssen Power, as a professional power solution provider, we cover its wide range of services and unique advantages. Huyssen Power is committed to be a better power solution provider. Our product line includes AC/DC power supplies, high-power DC power supplies, power adapters, fast chargers, totaling more than 1,000 models. Huyssen Power is fully capable of providing high-quality power supplies that are used in thousands of different applications, including electronic equipment, manufacturing, machinery, process control, factory automation, chemical processing, telecommunications, monitoring systems, scientific research, aerospace, electric vehicles, LED lighting and more. Currently, our IP67 waterproof power supply, with power range covering 12W to 800W and complete safety certifications, can be widely used in various indoor and outdoor LED lighting. Switching power supply, covering 12W to 2000W, with good circuit boards and excellent performance, which can be applied in smart devices, manufacturing, machinery, industry, lighting, etc. DC power supplies, covering 1500W to 60,000W. We support customized higher power and other special specifications, with superior performance, easy operation, reasonable price, and competitive price. All our products are designed to meet international safety standards. In manufacturing, we use various statistical sampling and analytical techniques to ensure quality and process control. And all products pass stringent tests before shipment. With 2 production bases, we are able to ensure timely delivery. In addition, Huyssen Power offers design services to meet our customers' special requirements. If you can't find the right model in our catalog, our experienced R&D team can design a custom power supply to meet your needs. With more than 22 years of experience in R&D and design in the power supply industry, we offer you total solutions and want to be your long-term power supply partner. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please feel free to contact us.